Hello. Have you ever dreamed of scaling the highest peak of the affiliate marketing mountain? If that dream beats in your heart, then this trailblazing webinar we've discovered is your secret map to the summit. It's specifically designed for daring explorers like you, who are ready to unlock greater treasures and conquer new realms of success. This isn't your ordinary webinar. Imagine a hidden vault filled with $23 million plus earned online, and this is the key. Even better, you're going to learn exactly how to bring this system into your own operation, unlocking a world of potential profit. So, what's the downfall of many who attempt to reach the top? They're climbing with broken gear. This webinar reveals the 3 major reasons why conventional online businesses stumble, and the elusive missing gear that the industry gurus often forget to mention. But the climb gets even better. This program gives you the chance to pocket up to $3,493 in commissions from a single conversion, without having to do the heavy lifting yourself. Discover how to use the 3 profit levers, which are like climbing aids, to help you achieve up to $33,078 a month, even if you've just set foot on the mountain. This program also prepares you with high-ticket automated webinars to aid you in climbing the steep face of sales. The best part of all? This $1 million strategy can be strapped to your business in just about 27 minutes, preparing you for the journey to your peak. Don't hesitate. The number of climbers is limited, and this is your chance. Take your first step now and secure your spot in the training. The link is waiting for you in the description.